As you probably guessed from the intro, I'll be talking about 3 new Mossy Oak products that were sent to me to test out for you guys. So I have a 3-in-1 folding saw, a multi-tool, and a small pocket knife. And these are definitely in the budget category, all coming in at $20 or less. So I just want to go over if they're worth purchasing and also how well they perform. Now let me pull back on the camera for 1 second to show you the saw. Now that I've got my camera adjusted, I want to go over this 3-in-1 folding saw. And as you can tell, it's a fairly large saw, and I love using saws on my multi-tool. But I actually really like the size of this for larger branches and logs. And in my demonstration in the intro, it cut through that little branch very easily. I was surprised how effective it was. And this comes in right around $16, $17. Normally around $20, but I think there's a discount on Amazon. I'll link all these products below if you want to go check them out for yourself. Now, how you open it is you've got this little button here, and so you press that, and it folds out like that. And you can see it's got a 7.5-inch blade. Nice plastic handle that does have this grippy texture to it, so you can use it with no gloves or gloves. I tested it with no gloves and I had no problems. You also got a lanyard hole right here if you wanted to add a lanyard, but I don't think that's really necessary because of its size. Now, the great thing is, as you can see, there's really no play at all, but you can adjust it right here, and that's also how you change out the blades. Now, it does come with 2 additional blades, one for cutting through plastic and harder wood, and another one for cutting through metal. So this one right here that I have on here is the wood saw. And so what you do is just loosen the pivot with your fingers, and then you just push down the lock and it pulls right out. Now that I have the blade off, I'm actually going to replace it with another one of the blades. I'm going to use the plastic saw. And so what you want to do is make sure you hook it underneath the lock right here. So there is a notch at the top of this blade right here that you want to make sure hooks right into that lock. And so what you do is just open the lock, hook this in, and then just make sure, see, you heard that click right there? You know that that's locked into place. And so then you just want to tighten the pivot up, and that's going to automatically bring the saw into alignment. And just tighten it up. You don't want to go too far. And there you have it. So now that that's in place, you can just fold it down. Took me a little bit of trial and error to get that where I can do it very quickly, but once you get it, it's very, very simple to change out the blades. As I mentioned, it does come with this sheath right here. It does have a place for both of the additional blades in the back, and then you can just put the saw in the front. And it's got a little Velcro right here, and you see the Mossy Oak logo on the front, and on the back you've got a belt loop attachment with a snap actually, which is nice because then you can use that to, if I can get it off, to attach to your backpack if it has some mollies. Next up is this multi-tool that comes in right at $20, but to be honest with you, it feels way more premium, and I'm really impressed with just overall look and feel of this. You've got this really nice camouflage overlay of leaves, twigs, bark, and branches. Really blends in with nature when you're on a hike or camping or fishing or hunting and those types of activities. And I assume because of that, it's not going to feel cold when it freezes over when you pick it up to use it. So that's a really nice addition as well. So you've got the pliers, a pair of cutters, which are not replaceable, even though I thought at first they were. And you got 4 different tools on each side, which all are locking. And you've got a little place for a chain or a lanyard here so you can attach it to different things. And so, as you saw in the intro, the blade worked really well. It was pretty sharp right out of the package. It's 420 stainless steel, so when it goes dull, you can sharpen that up very easily. And like I said, it does lock into place, so there's a little bit of give up and down, little play, but I don't have any concerns that the lock will fail. It's pretty sturdy, and then you just press to unlock it and fold it down. So on this side, you also have the saw, which is one of my favorite tools on a multi-tool, and a Phillips driver and a small slotted driver. And then on the other side, you have a can opener. You've got an awl, which actually the awl is probably the one tool on this that doesn't seem all that impressive, but another slotted driver and then a double-sided file. The crosscut file side is much more aggressive than this side. This is probably just good for nails, but those are the tool set. I do wish that it came with like a pair of scissors or something like that, so swap out one of the drivers for that. But it also does come with a pretty substantial sheath. I mean, this is probably one of the best sheaths that you can find out there for $20. That's incredible. So it just goes right in here, snaps into place. You got the Mossy Oak logo, and then a little belt loop in the back. So that is a $20 multi-tool that I highly recommend. Lastly, I want to go over this small folding knife. You've got the Mossy Oak branding right on the blade. It's a 2.5-inch drop point blade and a stonewash finish. Not sure what the blade steel is. It's probably a budget steel, $420, something like that. Chinese steel, I'm sure, but it's not listed on the website. But it's very easy to sharpen. I actually had to sharpen it a little bit out of the box because it was pretty dull. But once you sharpen it, as you saw in the intro, I was able to cut through paracord no problem. You've got a little thumb hole here with a hook cutter. And this hook cutter, I wouldn't expect that it can cut through thicker pieces of rope, but fishing line and stuff like that, that should be no problem. Got a liner lock as well as a very, very stiff pocket clip. This is one of the stiffest pocket clips I have ever seen in my life. Hopefully that will loosen up over time. You've got a bottle opener, so it's a multi-tool knife, and also a glass breaker at the end and a little spot for a lanyard if you wanted to attach it there. So the liner lock really works well. And this is not running on bearings or even metal washers. It's plastic washers. So one of the things you'll notice right when you get it is that it is very, very stiff and hard to open. But over time, it does loosen up. As you can see now, I can open it with one hand, no problem. And it's got G10 scales with T8 pivot screws and T6 body screws right there. So if you want to adjust it, you should be able to, no problem. So what I really like about this knife is the size and the ergonomics, and it fits very nicely in my small to medium sized hands. There's a little jimping up here for the thumb. The only problem is if you're not wearing gloves, you do have this point to contend with right where the rope cutter is. So if you slip off, if you're like using it hard, you might, jab your thumb right into that point. So it might be a little bit unpleasant. So that's something to be aware of. Also, I didn't try it with gloves. So that might change the ergonomics a little bit or the experience if you're wearing gloves, but I would recommend probably just using this without gloves just because it does feel very secure in the hand, just the way the G10 scales are contoured. There's little grooves here for your fingers and this little choil here, this notch here. It's great for your index finger. So it's a great little knife for $10. I expected it to be very, very cheap in terms of the way it looks and also the way it feels. But to be honest, I really like this little knife. It's definitely going to be something that I keep when I go hiking or go camping or go out into the outdoors, because even though, it's not the highest quality materials, you can't expect the world for $10. It actually performed really well. So those are the 3 items that I wanted to go over today. Thanks to Mossy Oak for sending this out to me. And I'm really glad that I got to try some of their products. So let me know in the comment section what you think of the saw, the multi-tool, and the knife. And until next time, as always, God bless.